Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. Carfax has certified this Silverado 3500HD as having one owner. This Silverado 3500HD has just under 60,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Silverado 3500HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Work Truck Preferred Equipment Group, dark titanium, cloth seat trim, GVWR, 13,025 pounds, 5908 kilograms, with dual rear wheels, silver ice metallic, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Tires, LT 235/80R17E all-terrain, street satellite radio, and star, 6 months of directions and connections plan, audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player, trailer rewiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer and the snowplow prep package. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.